ಓಂ ಸಾಯಿರಾಮ್. श्री सच्चिदानंद सद्गुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय। When God incarnate as human in this materialistic world to uplift the humanity, due to the power of Maya, it is difficult for ordinary human beings to realize the divinity in the embodied form of God. As Baba mentioned many times, we all take birth based on our past karmic actions and spiritual evolution. Those who realize the God's presence quickly and associate themselves with Him proceed onward journey to higher resolutions. Objective of Baba, the God incarnate, is not to perform miracles just to gain attention, but to direct the attention of poor and ignorant people to the right path and higher realizations. The most important thing for all of us to understand is his philosophy. His deeds and talks were filled with many hidden messages and hints for his devotees to decipher and follow strictly for their own progress towards moksha or freedom from birth and death cycles. He advocated the Advaita philosophy by reiterating many times, all are one and God resides in every being, either animate or inanimate, which is Ek Mein Anek. Baba said his life is incomprehensible and beyond human intellect, but he prompted us to dive deep into his words and sayings to understand his philosophy. Hemant Pant provided a glimpse of it in Sri Sai Satcharitra. Various other sources also provide brief account of his life and teachings. In this our little effort of Ek Mein Anek presentation, we try to bring forth some of Baba's life story events for us to understand his divinity and mission of his incarnation. Stories of gods or saints do not end with their samadhi, but their leelas and stories are never ending. As Hemant Pant said, Baba's stories are anant like ocean, and one should strive to get limitless precious gems out of it. Thus, in Ek Mein Anek too, we bring forth few more stories from Baba's life as an offering to his lotus feet, duly stressing his philosophical messages through an interview between Hemant Pant and Sri Narasimha Swamiji. May Baba bless all of us. Akhilanda Koti Brahmanda Nayaka Rajadi Raja Yogi Raja Parabrahma Sacchidananda Sadguru Sainath Maharaj Ki Jai. Om Sai Ram. Jai Sai Ram. Jai Jai Sai Ram.
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम्